Iwata Lounge.
But at first, we made a short stop at the Ashinoko Skyline rest house, grabbing some snacks and buying some stickers. And then the next stop was the Iwata Sky Lounge. The Iwata Sky Lounge is more for toge enthusiasts and motorsport fans. There are few tourists here but more local car guys. It is also the starting point of the Iwata Hakone Turnpike. The deck is located on Mount Taikan at an altitude of 1000 meters and has a great view, which is the reason for its name, because Taikan was an artist who loved to paint Mount Fuji from there. But interesting as well is what you can do and find inside.
Ich wollte i86 oder Impreza.
The next stop is Odawara Tollgate and Hakone. Thanks for watching part 2 and see you in the next videos.